So it has been now painted white. I really don't like the sink, and eventually I would want to like change this. So this room, I want to turn this into a closet. So at first I thought that okay, maybe this could be like a study because there's a plug point and everything. But I guess I'll use this as a closet because you know there's no ventilation here otherwise. I can also make it a study as well. But I do really need a closet space. I think you can hear my voice echo. So this area will do nothing with it as of now. I also have plans to turn it into an Airbnb eventually, but we'll see. Everyone, I came out today to get my nails done, and I already went to Starbucks, got my coffee, and I'll go get my nails done now. I thought I'll vlog today. I don't know how much I'll be able to do that. ब्रेड अच्छा लग रहा है ना? ठीक है, आप ब्रेड कर दो. I went to a 99 store where nothing is ever of 99 bucks. Then I went to Home Center. Home Center like really is like a place where I have to control my temptation because I legit want to buy everything. So I saw a lot of pants that I really wanted to buy, but maybe next time. And but I did like this pop art cushion cover which I picked up. So now I'll go to 9 by 10. I'll pick up some noodles. And then I'll grab something to eat, then Spencer's, and then I'll head home. Oh God, I love these donuts. I'm gonna pick a lot of them. And I need some noodles. I don't know which ones I'll take. I do want to have this one. I took it last time. I want to make a recipe video with this. So definitely this one. And maybe this or this, I'm not sure. Oh, they have chocolate ones as well. This is chocolate. This one is orange cream filling. Okay, maybe I'll take two of these. I don't like strawberries, so these crisps are so good. I'm really resisting picking up one. I really wanted this Coke vanilla. I was craving tuna for some reason. I got some chips and noodles, etc. My hands are legit full now. Oh gosh. Okay, my hands are legit full now. I love the 9 by 10, 9 to 10 Lux store that they have opened. They keep some really good collection. So I actually don't know if I'll go to Spencer's anymore or not. I did need a few things from there, but I think I'll go grab something to eat first, then put the stuff in my car, and then maybe head back to Spencer's. We'll see. It's kind of heavy now, and I'm just worried. I don't hope like one of these bags crack open or something in there because I have like some glass stuff and I don't want that to break. I picked up a few things for my studio. Gosh, is that a giant heart from like Valentine's Day, I guess? I've ordered for some honey bread. I wanted to try this. It smells so good. It was absolutely amazing. They had this thick cut of like milk bread with like honey, chocolate sauce and whipped cream, and although I have to tell you it's a little bit too sweet for my taste, but it was so good and it can be easily shared between two people. I feel that if you're not someone who loves a lot of like sugar, but it was yummy. Like if you love sugar, you're gonna love it. Like I demolished it. I was super hungry as well, so yeah, but now I feel I need something spicy. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm not going to Spencer's. I'm just gonna head out now. So what I'm gonna do is, okay, let me show you guys what all I got. So I got a bunch of stuff, like all the main stuff they're here already. Like the fridge is set, my oven and microwave is set. So I have to like, I just want to decorate this place. I just want to decorate the sofa and to place the rug here. And eventually it's going to be a process, okay? Like, so this video is going to take some time to be completed because I did not obviously buy everything. It's going to take me some time to buy everything that I need for this room. But I got this jar set that I really like, okay? Like for spices, I think they're pretty cool. Let me just pink, magenta and one olive. This one I've stuffed 2 cushions inside and there'll be another one. So till the time I don't buy the 16 by 16, this is how the spread is gonna look like. Oh, today was a bit of a day. I'm exhausted. Tomorrow I want to like get done with 90% of the stuff and maybe do a recipe video. We'll see. Good afternoon from the studio. Today's agenda is literally like keeping everything in place. Yeah, I have a bunch of stuff here that needs to be open. Let's see, see this side out. Yes, this is my new chopping board. This looks good. It's smaller than my previous one, but it should do for now. I love doing unboxing stuff. Oh, it's my new knife. Okay, so in all my previous videos, I was using my paring knife, which is actually a pretty good knife to be honest. But when it was a paring knife, it used to look kind of weird. So I decided to upgrade to the Santoku knife. God, I'm so excited. Clear out the table. I've put everything in place. So all of these have to be given a nice scrub. But I'm liking how this corner looks as of now. Now I'm done cleaning up everything here. I've decided to treat myself to Taco Bell. Freshener because like honestly, just needs it. Paintings. Now I'm thinking these two will go on that wall, and this will go on this wall. It's on this wall maybe. This is so fitting because now it's time of Ayami Ha as well. Of course I'll add way more paintings and everything. I don't know why these marks are there. I have to like scrub them a little. Super hungry. I'm gonna dip into this. Honestly, I don't know why I had such high hopes from it, but this does not taste good. Very average. I'll try the rice though. I was very eager for the rice. Because of course I like guacamole and I like the beans the rajma, and kind of like a salad in my bowl. Then we'll get on with the rest of the work left for the room. I'll paint something on the door this side, or the closet door. I'm gonna wash few of the dishes. I'm gonna place some of the ceramic bowls there, and yeah, that's the agenda for the day. Actually, I do have plans to add like chairs for this table, but I don't know when that is gonna happen. Oh my god, there's sunlight here. Today I decided to vlog. I'm actually waiting for Anisha. I dropped my mom and grandma. They had to go to an event.